Dear subscribers, please subscribe to our channel to see more videos about structural, architectural, and MEP modeling in Revit. In this video, we are going to explore 3 key workflows in Revit. How to temporarily delete a room while keeping its data in the model for future use. How to permanently delete a room from both the plan and the project. And finally, how to create a new room from scratch. Let's begin. First, we will work with 2 rooms, cafe and cafe kitchen. Go to the project browser and locate the room schedule. Right-click on it and open the schedule. Now, we are going to temporarily remove these 2 rooms from the plan. For better visibility, switch to Tile Views from the View tab. You'll notice that when you select a room in the schedule, it is automatically highlighted in the plan view. Now, use the Tab key to cycle through the elements until the room is properly highlighted in the status bar. Right-click and choose Delete. At this point, the room is removed from the model view, but its data is still preserved in the schedule. Repeat the same process for the second room. Now, let's identify rooms that are not placed in the model. Go to Modify Schedule Quantities, then select Filter Not Placed and Unenclosed Items, and click Isolate. Revit will now display only the rooms that are not currently placed in the model. Next, we will place the rooms back into the project. Go to Architecture, then select Room. From the Options bar, choose the cafe room and place it in the appropriate location in the plan. Repeat the same step for the cafe kitchen. You will notice that once all rooms are properly placed, the filtered view becomes empty. If you switch back to Show All, the full list of rooms will appear again in the schedule. Now, let's move to permanent deletion. If you want to completely remove a room from the project, select its row in the schedule, right-click, and choose Delete. Confirm the action. This will permanently remove the room and all associated information, including tags, from the model. Repeat the same step for the second room. Finally, let's create a new room. Go to the Architecture tab, select Room, and before placing it, assign a name. Then click in the plan to place the room. Update the room number as needed. Repeat the same process for the second room. You will notice that the new rooms automatically appear in the schedule, fully integrated into the model data.